watch a black girl cornrow her natural hair by herself. Okay, so I thought of, why would I pay someone to cornrow my hair when I can do it myself? And at the end of the day, I my own cornrow looks much more better than theirs. So I decided to cornrow my own hair and show you guys, use that opportunity to show you guys, for those that don't know how to cornrow. So you have to watch this video. Initially, I've made a tutorial with my dummy head, and in my previous video I made a tutorial with my dummy head, show you guys how to cornrow your hair. And then watch this video, watch me do it on myself. Okay, so if you watch this video to the end, you are going to know how to cornrow your hair. Okay, make sure to watch to the end. Please press the like button of this video and drop a video request in the comment section. Okay, if you're interested in wig tutorials, hair tutorials, how to braid, make sure to stick around by pressing the red subscribe button.
Learn how to braid different styles, day and night. You can learn wigs and beauty tutorial. Learn it all with the love it. Learn hair, learn how to braid different styles, day and night. You can learn wigs and beauty tutorial. Learn it all with the love it. I am on to deliver hair, learn how to braid different styles, day and night. You can learn wigs and beauty tutorial. Learn it all with the love it. Learn hair, learn how to braid different styles, day and night. You can learn wigs and beauty tutorial. Learn it all with the love it. I am on to still ever had. Learn how to braid different styles day and night you can learn.